Hi friends, welcome back to my design studio. Today we're making these adorable Halloween harem pants for kids using a digital pattern. I purchased this pattern a few years ago on Etsy, but you can definitely find free harem pant patterns online. I'll leave some links below. I'll be sewing on my serger, but you can use a sewing machine as well. Let's get started. I am using a light to medium weight stretch knit fabric with a fun Halloween print with matching waistband and cuffs. If you'd like, you can also use a contrasting rib knit fabric for the waistband and cuffs. The supplies needed are the fabric, thread, scissors or rotary cutter, and pins or clips. If you're using a sewing machine, a ballpoint needle or a needle for stretch knit fabric may be helpful. The pattern includes a 3/8 inch seam allowance, so you don't need to add one. Fold your fabric as shown in the pattern guide and place your pieces on the fold along the grain line. Cut 2 pant pieces, 1 waistband, and 2 cuffs. If you're using a contrasting fabric for the waistband and cuffs, cut those separately. Once everything is cut, we can start sewing. Place the 2 pant pieces right sides together. Line up the inner leg seam and the side seams and pin or clip. Now we'll sew the seams. I'm using my serger, but you can use a zigzag or knit overcast stitch on a sewing machine. If you're using a sewing machine, trim the seam allowance if necessary. Fold the waistband piece in half, right sides together, and sew along the edge to form a hoop. Now fold the waistband in half lengthwise, long sides together, so the raw edges meet. Pin the seam with a pin and pin the opposite side as well. I then put the pin sides together and pin the left and right sides of the waistband. Slip the waistband hoop over the pants, matching the pins to the front, back, and sides of the pants. Give the pants a slight stretch and pin the front center, back center, and sides. Continue pinning evenly, stretching slightly as needed. Now let's sew the waistband to the pants. Next, let's make the cuffs. Fold each cuff piece in half, right sides together, and sew along the edge to form a hoop. After sewing the cuffs, fold each cuff in half lengthwise, wrong sides together so the raw edges meet. Pin the seam with a pin and pin the opposite side as well. Slip a pant leg into the cuff hoop, aligning pins with the inner and outer seam. The cuff is slightly smaller, so stretch gently as you sew. The waistband is designed to be folded over so you can adjust the fit. You can also fold the cuffs up if needed to adjust the length. And that's it, your Halloween pants are finished. These cuff knit pants are quick and easy to sew. They are great for Halloween outfits and everyday wear. In my upcoming videos, I will be sewing the matching hat and headband, as well as adding this cute Halloween vinyl design to a shirt or onesie. Thanks for sewing with me today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more sewing tutorials, and tag me if you make your own Halloween pants. I'd love to see them. Bye for now.